everyone. I'm sorry that I can't be with you in class today, and I'm especially sad that I can't be there for Dr. Camp's presentation, but I know you guys will enjoy it. I am in Tokyo, Japan right now during your class, and I just wanted to help out while I'm gone by explaining the concept of radical revision before you all start your next project. So radical revision was an idea by Wendy Bishop from her article Power and Identity in the Creative Writing Classroom. She was the first person to write about the idea, and she explained it as a reworking of an essay that's so experimental for the writer that it might fail. She explained that in a radical revision, you have freedom to play. You have freedom to break boundaries. You have freedom to change your thesis or your essay topic into a form that others wouldn't believe it fits into easily. She mentions other media. She mentions bumper stickers. She mentions textual space and language play. With the help of her friend and fellow composition theorist Toby Fulwiler, they continued this idea in a Writing Center Journal article called Provocative Revision in 1992. They specified in this article that there are certain ways that they suggest to conduct a radical revision of a written assignment. They suggested limiting time, place, or action, limiting the scope or the focus, adding dialogue, interview, pictures or graphics, or quotations, switching or shifting points of view, voice, or tense and time, and then transforming genre, transforming metaphor that's driving the main idea, transforming the typography or layout, so the design, what it actually looks like, or transforming into a multimedia example. For our purposes and engagements, we're going to look at the idea of radical revision or provocative revision as the change of a central idea from one medium into another medium. So examples of mediums are a painting, a collage, song lyrics, a musical composition, a soundtrack, a graphic novel, a sculpture, etc. We've talked about media a lot in our class, and I've given you several lists before of what it means to be media. So you might want to look back at your notes for those lists. So for a radical revision, you might take an essay and instead make it into a YouTube video. Take a poem and create a painting. Take a painting and make it into a short story. Turn a lab report into a comic strip, or a business report into a graphic novel, or perhaps a prayer into a song. The thing that's most important to remember about radical revision is that you have to keep the original ethos, thesis, or intent of the piece that was initially created. So the revision should be a replica of the initial work through a different medium. I hope this makes sense, and if you have questions, please email me. Your assignment will have more information on the assignment sheet. Thanks a lot. I miss you guys, and I look forward to seeing you after Thanksgiving. Have a wonderful, safe, and happy break.